Breast cancer in men. The etiology, diagnosis, and treatment of breast cancer in males is similar to that in females. However, breast cancer in men is a rare disease. Incidence is only about 1% of all breast cancer diagnoses. Although its frequency has increased in recent decades, particularly in Canada, urban United States, and United Kingdom. The average age at occurrence of breast cancer in men is about 70 years, and may be an increased incidence with prostate cancer. First degree relatives of men with breast cancer are considered to be at high risk. BRCA2 mutations are common in men with breast cancer. Risk factors: previous breast pathology, gynecomastia, history of testicular pathology, family history of breast cancer, and men who inherit BRCA2 mutations, and Klinefelter syndrome. Clinical findings: a painless lump occasionally associated with nipple discharge, erosion, or ulceration is the primary complaint, and on examination, it usually shows hard, ill-defined, non-tender mass beneath the nipple or areola. Gynecomastia is not uncommon, it preceded breast cancer in men. Nipple discharge is an uncommon presentation but is an ominous finding. Diagnosis: more than 40% of patients have stage 3 or stage 4 disease at diagnosis. Lack of awareness that men develop breast cancer may contribute to diagnosis at more advanced stage. Mammography can be useful. Fine needle aspiration biopsy can confirm the diagnosis. Histologically, majority of breast cancer in men are infiltrating ductal carcinomas. 80% are hormone receptor positive, 15% overexpress HER2, 4% are triple negative estrogen receptor, progesterone, and HER2 negative. Treatment: it comprises surgical options, radiation therapy, and systemic therapy. Surgery: simple mastectomy for T1 and T2 stage breast cancer is indicated. Patients with locally advanced tumors like T3 and T4 can be offered therapy similar to that for locally advanced breast cancer in women, with neoadjuvant chemotherapy followed by surgical resection. Now, radiation therapy. A typical indication for adjuvant radiation therapy includes T3 or higher tumor stage, 4 or more positive lymph nodes, and positive surgical margins. Systemic therapy. Tamoxifen is the recommended adjuvant endocrine therapy. Duration is at least 5 years, and in appropriate patients can be extended to 10 years. Bone is the most frequent site of metastasis from breast cancer in men, and endocrine therapy relieves bone pain in most patients. Chemotherapy should be administered for same indications as for women with metastatic disease. Now, prognosis of breast cancer in men have a worse prognosis than women with breast cancer because diagnosed in men at later stage. Men who have had breast cancer are at increased risk of a second ipsilateral or contralateral breast cancer. Risk is highest in men who are younger than 50 years when their initial cancers were diagnosed. Then periodic screening is probably advisable.